our eco-friendly travel kits. Ipalit na mo sa bote ito yung tiger, flying tiger, sail. Yeah, those are 30 crowns, and this one is 20 crowns. I think so, just 50 crowns for this one. So, and we have already opened it, and this actually cleaning your ears, and you can wash it. It's silicone, I think. So you can use it many times, and it stays here. Replaces plastic products. So this is a traveling toothbrush you can bring. I also have another traveling toothbrush, but this one I think was cool. In this box rests my travel toothbrush. Open. So this is the inside. I think it's like humble brush, but it's not humble. And you have the holder. And then that's the holder with the brush, and then it has 2 toothbrushes in it, so 2 people can actually use this one. And this is the brush, and look at the brush, bristles. Yeah, so, and then
made of wood.
Yeah, it's made of wood. I think it's made of bamboo. So, and that's that's the brush, and you can use it. And then when you're done, you just take it out, and then you dry, and then you put it back in the holder. And then you close, and then you close this one. So, and then you have your travel kit, eco-friendly.